Do you know what is internet banking and what is its complete progress in this economic world? Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be the first one to receive the notification of our latest video. Hello and welcome to Bankrate, where millions of people around the world can learn and be aware of banking and finance. So let's get started. Overview and brief history. Online banking permits a user to conduct financial transactions via net. Online banking is in addition known as internet banking or web banking. Online banking offers customers nearly each service traditionally on the market through a district branch at the side of deposits, transfers, and online bill payments. The precursors to the modern banking services were the area banking services over electronic media from the primary 1980s. The term online became widespread among the late 1980s and cited the utilization of a terminal, keyboard, and TV to access the banking system using a connective. The first known preparation of information processor banking to shoppers came in New Style Calendar Month 1980 at United American Bank, a community bank headquartered in Urban Center, Tennessee. United American partnered with Radio Shack to produce secure custom equipment for its TRS-80 computer, which may change bank customers to access account knowledge firmly. When the clicks and bricks elation hit among the late 1990s, many banks began to see web-based banking as a strategic imperative. While financial institutions took steps to implement e-banking services among the mid-1990s, many shoppers were hesitant to conduct monetary transactions over net. By 2000, 80% of US banks offered e-banking. Shopper use grew slowly. At Bank of America, as associate in nursing example, it took 10 years to amass a tri-million e-banking customers. However, a giant cultural modification passed once the 12-month scare finished. In 2001, Bank of America became the first bank to the prime 3 million online banking customers, 200 of its shopper base. Online banking started among the United Kingdom with the launch of Nottingham Building Society's HomeLink service in Sept 1982, at first on a restricted basis, before it fully was extended across the state in 1983. In 1998, ICICI Bank introduced internet banking to its customers. Product features. Online banking facilities typically have many choices and capabilities in common, but even have some that are application-specific. The common choices fall loosely into several categories. A bank shopper can perform non-transactional tasks through online banking. Viewing account balances. Viewing recent transactions. Downloading bank statements. Viewing footage of paid checks. Ordering checkbooks. Download periodic account statements. Downloading applications for e-banking. Bank customers do banking tasks through online banking, timeless funds transfers, paying third parties, at the side of bill payments and third-party fund transfers, investment purchase or sale, loan applications and transactions, like repayments of enrollments, credit card applications, register utility billers and bill payments, financial institution administration, management of multiple users having variable levels of authority, transaction approval methodology. Corporate and individual internet banking integration with e-commerce merchant sites. Today the world may be a semiconductor unit by net and mobile computing technologies. Billowing internet property correspondingly driving the e-commerce business across the planet, establishing new benchmarks in terms of revenue and shopper engagement. Running a victorious e-commerce business depends on varied factors. A payment entree is important to alter secure payment authorization for your e-commerce website. To extend your conversions and increase sales on your e-commerce stores, you'd prefer to possess the right integration of the payment entree at the side of your e-commerce store. Profitability of internet banking. A few banks' internet-based services are profitable, like online bill payment. But for the majority of institutions, net is not profitable in and of itself. Same Richard Bell, associate in nursing analyst at Tower Group in Needham, Massachusetts. Even web banking leaders like Wells Fargo and Company Web Banking had management on bank profit through an increase of monetary gain from service activities. However, the impact level was low and had a lag time of over 3 years, that is longer than findings from previous studies. Banks build profit 3 ways: interest on loans, interchange, and fees. Online banks can provide a heap of conveniences, higher rates, and lower fees than ancient banks. Betterment, whereas not a bank, has cash management merchandise which will assist you to measure higher risk management and frauds. Financial institutions have gotten wind of assorted security processes to reduce the danger of unauthorized online access to a customer's records. However, there is not any consistency to the numerous approaches adopted. Security ways in online banking. The PIN/TAN system, where the PIN represents a watchword used for the login and TANs representing one-time passwords to certify transactions. Another suggests that of practice of TANs is to induce them by need using a security token. More advanced TAN generators in addition embrace the ACT data into the TAN generation methodology, once displaying it on their own screen to allow the user to seek out man-in-the-middle attacks distributed by Trojans, creating an effort to on the QT manipulate the ACT data or among the background of the portable computer. Thanks for watching. We hope you learned something valuable today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, hit the bell icon to be the first one to get the notification of all the upcoming videos.